So, I'm at Cafe Mediterranean. Hindi ako nag-shave. Euro, lamb.
May lamb na dito?
Lamang. Lemonade. Okay, lemon. Rating nito 4 out of 10. I should bring you guys on a better request.
All of you are to the career cooking event this afternoon.
Parang ano siya, modern Euro na. So Tino is actually eating a different. Actually, parang mas masarap yung kay Tino. Tara, anong rate mo? 1 to 10?
10.
Masyadong giving si Tino. Ako nga. It's probably because I already tasted sa Chicago kasi ako sa yung kapatid ko si Ray. We used to go to Creektown. So, comparing it to you in Chicago, big difference.